Doing. So today we are going to be learning how to do voiceovers for your videos. You don't want to read out these voiceovers by yourself. So there are AI tools that you can use. We have ElevenLabs, we have CapCut text to speech, and we also have Google AI Studio. Most of those tools are not free, but Google AI Studio is absolutely free. So in this class, I'm going to teach you how to go about it. Let's go. So the first thing you need to do is, if you haven't gotten your scripts already, is to go to ChatGPT, ask it to generate your script. After generating your script, you copy it, then you go to your Chrome, then you open, search for Google AI Studio text to speech. Then they'll bring the drop down Google. Then you select the Google AI Studio. After selecting it, you have to choose the kind of voice you want. There are different types of voice. So you click here, you actually see multiple audio, multiple speaker. They also see a single speaker. So now I'm using single speaker, so I'll choose this single speaker. Then after which, you have different voices you want to try. So these are plenty voices. So I'll choose to use this guy Punk because the voice sounds upbeat. So after that, then I'll go to where I paste my script. Then I'll paste all the script. After pasting it, I'll click run. So after clicking run, so I'll wait for it to generate. So this generation could take a few minutes, sometimes a few seconds. So let's just, depending on the volume of what you give to it. So let's just wait, hang around and see what it gives us. So the voiceover has just been generated. So now let's listen to it.
It was exactly 12:03 a.m. when Ada heard the first knock. She sat upright in bed, her heart suddenly pounding in the silence of her small apartment. Knock, knock, knock. Slow, heavy, deliberate. She reached for her phone, but there was no message, no missed call, nothing. Rain topped softly against the window, and
So that is how it is done. It's super easy. Please, if you need more updates like this, more free tools for your AI automation, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Nice having you here. Toodles. Do is click the three dots at the side of close to the recordings. Then the voice over you've created will be downloaded to your phone.